The CC, in terms of severity, moderate. Yung MCC, severe and life-threatening. Pagdating mo sa DRG, moderate increase ang bayad. Yung major comorbidity is a major increase in weight of payment. Kita nyo po ha, moderate increase, major increase. Now, kapag may sinulat kang CC, may documentation na required. Kapag may sinulat kang MCC, strictly required. Labs, treatment, SOP. Yan ho ang hinahanap sa ibang bansa. Example, may inadmit ho kayo, dinagdagan nyo ng anemia, dinagdagan nyo ng hypertension, may dehydration. Okay? There's a moderate increase because the severity is moderate. Now, the MCC is very different. Okay? When you add something like sepsis to a current condition, it makes the scenario worse. When you add acute renal failure, it becomes toxic. When you have respiratory failure as the MCC, it becomes life-threatening. Okay? So I hope nakita niyo ang difference ha. Ito, ang tip. Lahat ng mga diagnosis na may failure, renal failure, respiratory failure, okay? Anything that has failure becomes an MCC. So if you have 3 failures in one confinement, okay, may renal failure, nag-heart failure, at nag-respiratory failure, napaka-toxic ng pasyente, malaki ho ang bayad, and make sure your documentation is in place. Because the audit is very high and it is required na mabayaran. Okay? Sa Thailand ho, according to my friend, okay, kapag yung pasyente ay na-diagnose na may MCC, major comorbid complication, pagpadala ho ng claim electronically, okay, automatic ho, hindi siya babayaran, and then they will inform the hospital to submit the clinical chart in 5 days. Kasi ho, basahin. Because when you have MCC, the payment will be very high, and they will only pay if there is proof of the severity. So they will ask for the clinical chart. So they are to submit the clinical chart in 5 days. The failure to submit it in 5 days, the claim will not be paid. Ganun ho yun.